Hi everyone! Creating HDR pictures is really easy with Hydra 4. Let me show you. A common issue with HDR images rendered from several exposure shots is that some subjects, such as people, animals, or trees, can move between shots, which results in ghosts being visible in the output. Some ghost artifacts are barely visible, like the leaves of these trees. But others might truly overshadow your creation, such as this person walking in front of the belfry. Once more, Hydra 4 gives you the opportunity to easily handle this situation. Once your pictures have been imported into Hydra, you can use the Ghost Removal tool. Use the mouse to draw a shape around the zone where something moved across shots. You also determine which images contribute to the final result in that area by selecting those images in the sidebar. If the ghost effect is located in a bright area of the scene, we advise you to keep the underexposed shot for processing this zone, as the useful information in those areas is actually contained in the underexposed shot. Choosing the overexposed shot instead wouldn't help you, since areas full of light are burnt. The result would be burnt as well. You can see the result by clicking Preview Merging. If you make a mistake, select the area that doesn't fit, delete it, and start over. Do you have any other questions about Hydra 4? Don't hesitate to watch our other tips and tricks videos or contact us. We are on Twitter.